How to connect Payoneer to Etsy account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to connect your Payoneer account to Etsy account. So first of all, just simply open the Etsy's official website, and after that just simply log into your account using your credentials. And once you have logged in into your Etsy account, just simply click on the shop manager from the top menu of the screen, and over here you will be able to see the option called payment method or wallet or anything like that. All you have to do is just simply go to that particular page, and from there you will be able to see the option called add payment method. So in the add payment method, you have to go ahead and simply update your Payoneer account details. And once you have added your Payoneer account detail, your Payoneer account will be connected with the Etsy account and you are good to go. So this is basically how you will be able to connect your Payoneer to Etsy account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.